Hey guys, this is Naif Mallbar Technologies, and in this video let's have a look at some amazing tech that you can buy under 500. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. First product on my list are the speakers from Redgear. In terms of look, they definitely look better than the other speakers that I have seen on Amazon for the same price, and yes, these are made out of plastic mainly, but over at the front is the metal grill, which is nice to see at this price point. You can plug the USB cord and 3.5mm pin to your CPU, laptop or a smartphone, and there is also a volume controller which can be used. Here is a quick sound demo. Now these speakers, they do get quite loud and even the sound quality is good for the price, but I would recommend to use them at medium volume, as at high volume it won't sound the best. Next on the list is this Havit gaming mouse. For just under $399, it's a steal in my opinion. It comes with 7 color LED which looks cool. Although design made here is a bit weird. Anyways, it comes with a DPI button to switch between 800, 1000 and 1200 DPI, which works super fine even on my iMac. Right and left keys also provide nice clicks, and scroll also works perfectly fine. I have been using it since 2 weeks for playing CSGO and it works perfectly fine. Fun fact, I got a mouse from the same company 5 years ago to play CS 1.6 and it was working until last year. Overall, this mouse is very ergonomic and I honestly love it over the small wireless mouse that I had. Now along with gaming mouse, a good mousepad is also important. For just under 300, this Redgear control type mousepad is a good deal. It comes with a texturized surface at the top, and at the bottom side is the rubberized surface which gives good grip, and the mousepad doesn't slide or move around, which is nice. Also, the side coating of the mousepad is stitched, which is great as that is something which is missing even on my expensive SteelSeries mousepad. And as we all know that over a period of time, upper material starts to come off from the sides, so having stitched one is always better. Overall, I am really happy with this mousepad. Next one is this flat style USB to micro USB charging and data syncing cable from ROG. It reminds me of USB cable that used to come with OnePlus One, which is nice. Anyways, it comes with a cable tie which will keep this 1 meter long cable organized, and as it is a flat style cable, it should be durable and also tangle free. It comes with 3 months warranty, which is again great. Now guys, I have received lots of messages from you asking that where I have got these bottles from, and the answer is I have made it myself. Yes, it is very simple. All you need to do is get these bottles from DMart or Big Bazaar, and I have the plastic ones. It is also available in glass, but I thought plastic would be better because I'm a little bit careless. Anyways, you should get these bottles for around 50 rupees, and if possible, if I can find them online, I'll definitely leave the link in the description box. Now after getting these bottles, you need to get the LED light from Amazon. I'll leave the link for that as well in the description box. And these LED light can be powered using the USB cable which is there in the LED light. Now that is very good because you can use power bank or any USB source to power these LED lights, which is cool. Now once you get both the things, all you need to do is just put colorful stones in the bottle so that the bottle won't fall off. And then you can put the light in the bottle like I am doing right now, as you can see on the screen. And guys, you can use the LED light on anything that you like, even if you don't find these kind of bottles. It can be used during Diwali or maybe for decoration purpose. Also, it's working super fine since last 2 months for me, so I feel that it is better than the China lights, for sure. Last but not the least is this item which needs no introduction. Reason why I got this one is because it was for less than 180 rupees and it has got the lights which looks absolutely cool. And yeah, it's not the best spinner for this price point, and there are few others which I really like for this particular price point. So I'll leave the links in the description box. Do check them out if you are into this thing. Anyways, that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and let's aim for 1999 likes at least on this video, because last time we were able to cross 999 likes. So let's see if we can cross 1999 likes at least on this video or not. Make sure to subscribe to All About Technologies and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out such amazing videos on my channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social media networks. Links are there in the description box. This is Naif Mallbar Technologies. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.